Hello guys, this is Rachel from 3rd CSE, and today I'll be explaining my 8th exercise in web technology. It is to create a user login page using PHP and cookies. So this is a database creation which I've done using XAMPP, and this here you can see that I've given connection to the XAMPP, and then here this is my index page. This is for the sign up. This is a sign up for the registry page. So here I've created a form which will get the username, the password and the email. So this I have already created the table database. The table that I've created is company, and inside the company, under the table users, I will have the attributes username, password and email ID. So whatever I register here, it will be added to the particular data. It will be added to the particular table inside my database. So in this you can see, like, after the registry is done, we will get the message displayed like registered successfully. Or if the registration is not done, we go to another. Like, if the registration is already done, we create we just log in. If the registration is not done, this is where the registration happens, and after the registration happens, it moves to the next PHP page. Inside this PHP page, we'll get this post super variable is used to get the username and password from that of the user. It will also get the email ID from that of the user. So inside this, we are going to create a query to insert the values into the users table, the username, password and the email. So the values which the user entered will be entered into this attributes username, password and email. And if the result, the query will be run, and if the result is true, then if the result is not true, then an error will be raised. Otherwise you will be getting a message like you are registered successfully. And if the registration is already done, then we'll be directed to another web page where it is just the login page. So there the user can just enter the username, password which he already has, and the user can log in. So the message that gets displayed in this case will be in another PHP page. And here the query is like, it will select from the company database, the username will be selected and the password will be selected. If that is the correct result, like if that is what the result which is there in the database, then the message will be displayed that login successful and welcome. The username will be displayed. So yeah, so just a minute. Yeah, and there is another option to change the password. For changing the password, this will be directed into another PHP page where the user is asked to enter the username and the new password and the email ID. And when submit is clicked on, a new message is displayed like password changed. So here in this page, you can say that the password has been successfully changed. The username, password and the email will be obtained by the user, and the SQL query is to update the password. So update user set password, the password name, and the condition is given where the username is that particular username and the email of that username. So when the result is run, is input into the MySQL query thing, if the result is true, then we will get a message which is displayed as password changed successfully. So let's see how this works. I'm going to be giving the password. Okay, so when I click on register, it says that you are registered successfully. So again, I can choose to you are registered successfully, and as you can see in my PHP admin page, when I refresh it, and when I refresh it, Just a minute. So I have registered successfully. So if I'm a person who is already registered, then I can click here and I can log in using that particular user ID and password which I used before. So when I click on login, it'll display the message login was successful and welcome Rachel. So if I need to change the password, I can just sorry. Okay, I'm already logged in, so I can here I can just change my password. So the username will be asked and the new password I'll give it as 234 and the email ID. Okay, and when I click on change, the password will be upgraded. Rachel's the password has been changed successfully. So when I log in the next time, when I give my new password, it's going to when I give in my new password, it is going to log in. Yeah, so this is how this is my table, like I've already created, and this is how it is being displayed. So this is it for my 8th exercise. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching.